What's going on, guys? 7-8 Stinking Lincoln here. Just want to catch you up on what's been going on here. So if you've guys seen any of my previous episodes, mainly naming the valve cover gaskets, part 1 and part 2, I've actually, since then, I've changed out the gasket again, right? So my issue is, and you should have seen it in the pictures in the introduction, is right here at this bolt, okay? Let's see if I can take the light off. Maybe it'll focus a little bit better here. Okay, there is oil pooling around it, right? And at the end of the day, it ends up, let's see if we can get this here for you. Where that light is, it pools right there. So we're going to pull this out, and I've got some Permatex thread sealant, right? Not thread locker, thread sealant. And we're going to take this bolt out, clean it very good, and I'm going to put the sealant on it and see if that gets us taken care of. So hopefully this will be a fix for some people out there. It's going to help out if they have the same issue. You know, every day is a new day. This car is almost 42 years old in November. So these kind of things are going to start popping up. So that's just one of them, and hopefully I'll be able to cure it. So I will keep y'all posted. We'll see how it goes. Okay, hopefully we've got a good view of this bolt right here. This is what we're going to do to prep it real quick, is we're going to hit it with a little bit of car cleaner, okay? And I've already pre-cleaned the area because you don't need to see me clean it all, but right, you're going to take a wire brush and you're going to thoroughly clean around this bolt. And I mean thoroughly, right? Because whenever you pull it off, you don't want any of that junk to fall back into the hole. You know what I mean? So take the extra time and the extra precaution to make sure that this area is super, super clean. You can't clean it enough, you know what I mean? So there she is, gonna dry it up. Grab the sealant, I'll grab a socket, and then I'll be right back. Okay, just a quick recap. We've cleaned the bolt very thoroughly. We used carb cleaner and a wire brush. You're gonna need a 9/16, a long extension, and a ratchet. And we're going to take this bolt off. And then once the bolt's off, not too bad. Okay, come on, baby. Don't want nothing like this to break, you know what I mean? Seems like it's coming pretty good. I'll tell you what, it won't hurt. Just take a paper towel real quick. A little bit of carb cleaner. Let's just hit it around that hole real quick, just so whenever that bolt comes out, none of this debris that's underneath the nut goes into the hole. Okay, that's pretty dang clean. Okay, so let's keep coming with it. So from what I was told online from my buddy Chock, who's just an awesome guy, mechanic, man. He's helped me out tremendously with this vehicle on several occasions, including this one today. He doesn't feel like this one goes through any coolant jackets or anything, so I should be able to. And yeah, you can see it pulls oil. Look at that. Yep. Okay. So I mean, the bolt is super clean. Tell you what. Now, the tricky thing is he was saying, that it needs to be dry. So, I mean, I guess I'm going to grab a Q-tip and I'm going to try to clean the inside of that hole too and not drop the freaking Q-tip inside the hole. So, and then I'm also going to thoroughly clean all these threads. Okay. So, moving right along. Okay, so I've got the bolt removed. I've got the area around it cleaned very, very well. And now I'm taking a little bit of carb cleaner. Just putting a little bit on the tip of a Q-tip. Do not drop this. This goes all the way through, okay? And I'm going to clean these threads. Okay, I'm going to spray it again. You don't spray this down to the hole either. This goes all the way through. This keeps going. This goes all the way through to the crankcase. So, or I don't know where it goes far though. Let's put it that way. Let's put it this way. It goes beyond this Q-tip. But I can feel where the threads are. And I'm just cleaning those out as I come up to the top. And we're just gonna keep going until basically the Q-tip is white. We're gonna proceed to clean the bolt real quick with some carb cleaner and a wire brush and a paper towel. Use your imagination. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the thread sealant onto the bolt. They said to apply it 3/4 of the way. So we'll do that. Oh, I sure hope this works. Okay. About got it. So we got it on there pretty liberally. I'm going to take a little bit off the tip. And stick her back in the hole. Okay. And suggested 25 to 30 pounds of torque. So we'll go ahead and get it all the way down where it's going to be. Okay. Then we'll get our torque wrench. All right. I've now got my torque wrench set to 25 pounds, foot-pounds torque, and there it is. Okay, so we've got that. Now, you may have noticed I barely pulled the vehicle back. So the reason for that being is we're not going to start this engine. I'm gonna push the car back up into the garage, close it, and I'm gonna let that set overnight, and hopefully that'll take care of it, and I'll definitely share it with you if it does. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Okay, we just took her for a test drive, and I'll get you a good view on the bolt. Okay, and I want you to take a look at the sticker in the picture in the video of the before. I took the same exact test drive, did the same exact load. So far, I am just really happy about this. That was stressing me out, but there's absolutely no oil there right now, so I'm very happy about that. So anyways, I'll post this and hope this helps somebody. Thanks. Bye.